Okay guys, this is a video I'm going to do about one full stack application that I'm building, and I'm going to show you how I did it so you can maybe have some questions. I use the services, data services, message services. I didn't use those services for this one. I use Blazor. It's a complete Blazor United API. So complete Blazor application with an API, a backend API. We're using Azure identity as authentication method. We are also using theming, grids, basically all these components. And I've been working on this application for a couple of weeks now, and I want to show you because it has a very good result. This is going to change, of course, but this is just the login page. I'm going to copy here that I have in my seeding sample database. I have login here. And now we have very nice here. You can log out, okay? You can log in. And you have dashboard, and I'm building the dashboards right now. And this is a very a heavy grid environment, because what we do is just do a lot of functionalities here to manage lobbyists for any principals and any law firm. So here you have the edit, you have the details which can be improved later. Okay, you have the assignment of a new principal to this component, and basically everything you can clear, for example here, and you can attach here and register a manager to specific. This has to be true, that's what is not working, but basically you have a lot of things, a lot of features here. You can delete it, and I follow the same pattern through the entire stack. So basically you have a principal that you can also have different functionalities here, and you have a payment method process that can process. You have a clear filtering, and one of the things that I didn't include the grid filtering because I believe I didn't like it. The grid system that these guys are created is not yet on the positions that I want to use it for this type of systems. I mean, you can have a grid here. Let me see, components. You have custom grid sorts, multi-select. You can do also, what is the, here you can sort it, you can resize it, and you can also search, which I don't find it, by column. So the way I did it is I avoid that feature because I can have millions of rows here, and I'm using an equitable list, so I can also streamline. Let me show you one of these components. For example, so we're using stream rendering and interactive server, and it's authorized for only admin and users. We have a grid with all the functionalities, and we're using like a grid item provider, so we can basically work better with that grid. This is what they recommend, and it has been a very cool project because it helped you to it helped me to get a lot of exposure of the Fluent UI framework, and also how Blazor works with it. Okay, so yeah. So now I had some issues here that I had to figure out, but in general, this is the whole idea of so you can log out of the system, and yeah, because I was testing the refresh token, and that's why I set it down, the refresh token, to 1 minute to a couple of minutes, so that's why we had that error coming in. But basically this is all, guys. Let me know if you have any questions about this specific framework, I can help you with it, okay? I know how authentication works, how to work with the grid, how you are able to, what do you need to create these dialogues, and to do the filtering correctly was very hard to do, very tricky. It's not hard, but was very tricky to do here. And I learned a lot of this project on how Blazor works. Okay, yeah, let me know, guys. I hope you like it. Let me know any comments, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.